Alright, so hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Flightdeck SFX panel for Flight Simulator 10. This is an add-on for FS9 and FS10. So I'm going to go show you how to install this in FS10. I'm going to use B747 to install the panel. Okay. Remember that? Okay, so go to computer. So be sure that you go to internet browser first.
We know moms love Hello Kitty too. So Hello Kitty and Downy come together to bring you innocence. Hurry and get your limited edition Hello Kitty bottle today.
Now, go to flightsim.com/wad/search. Oh no, I'm wrong. Okay, so go to flightsim.com, file phpcm search. This is the basic file search. Here. So this will be directed to flightsim.com. Now click choose any of this type. Choose this box. Then click on that. That time Flightdeck SFX panel. Then hit start search or hit enter to your keyboard. Now there is two. So if you want to choose here or if you want to choose there. So okay, so this it says FS 2004 only, but this works also in FS 10. I'll go to film it while I'm doing this video. Now click on this. Then this will start download. When you click download, this is only the panel only. Okay. After download that, I've saved it to my USB in my H drive. So then double click on FDSFX PNL or Flightdeck SFX panel. Okay. So go to your radio file. You have to choose whether it's when you want which text format or the original .text file. Now go to step 3 installation. I'm going to choose default here. Okay. So okay. Be sure that it's side by side because you know that. So I'm going to install this on B747. You're gonna go to C program password Simulator 10, but I'm going to Flight Simulator 10 folder in my iDrive. This is my virtual hard drive. Okay. So when you're here, you don't need a backup. Yes. Okay. I have now unzipped it. Be sure to unzip it. Compare the files here. Don't need that. Copy all the files in the gadgets folder. So this is the gadgets folder. So be sure. Now go to your gadgets folder onto your Flight Simulator 10. Baby. Yeah. So double click on the gadgets. Be sure that you copy this, included the tab file. Copy this. Yeah, sorry about that. Copy this. Then hit right click on the gadgets folder. Then hit paste, the empty one. Okay. Then just wait until this loads. And yeah, this says copying 40 items, 843 kilobytes only. When you refresh it, it's okay. Go back to your Flight Simulator X folder again. Copy the SFX folder, the folder, be sure that is the folder. To your sound folder. Oh yeah. Okay, so it's the sound files. Okay, go to your sound folder. Here. Go back to your this Flightdeck SFX panel folder. Go to right click on SFX. This is all the panels you want. Right click on it, copy this, then paste it to your sound folder. Then 21 megabytes, copy 21 items. Then we'll finish again. Okay. So next, open your choosing aircraft for the installation. I've chose B747, so I'm gonna go to Flight Simulator 10, Sim Objects, Airplanes. I'm gonna go to B747-400, then after that, okay, so after that, copy the FDSFX bitmap image to your let's see, okay, to your panel folder. Here, right click on it, then hit paste. Then after that, just hit yeah. Okay. So after that, open the B737-400 panel. Double click on that. Then here. So here. Right click on this, then hit copy. This is the text file, that's the first one. So yeah. Okay, so gonna go to be sure that you have an empty space, then hit Ctrl V, copy paste. So we have Flightdeck SFX panel. Now copy and paste all of the stuff in here. Now go to this stuff, Control V again. There's this Windows 7 FDSFX panel, and it's okay. Now close this, then hit save, and it's now saved. Okay. Now, lastly, open your Flight Simulator 10 folder. I mean your Flight Simulator 10, and yeah. So yeah, so gonna go to Flight Simulator 10.
Okay. Sinasabi ko lang, baka may alam siya.
Then yeah. So here. Okay. So I'm gonna post this video while this loading. Okay. So this is not our Flight Simulator 10. Now go to your current aircraft, then hit click change. Be sure that you change it. Now just wait until this loads. Yeah, so
Reduce dark spots and lines. Why settle for partial effects? Fight 7 cents of aging.
okay, so you have the choose of aircraft. I have a Airbus A380, but yeah, I have that. Okay, so go to your scroll down till you see the B747. I'm going to choose the Boeing livery 747. Hit OK.
Studies show that it takes just one child to spread disease to many, including your child. Give her a safeguard.
Once again, when you install it correctly, this will be pop up. Now hit run, and yes, the same method until you're going into FDSFX 21. So I'm gonna hit run, yes, I'm going to post this video. So yeah, hit post. Now this is the last one. This is the FSDXS 21 gate arrival. Then hit run. Then hit yes. So you can um you cannot run, just hit again. Just press the flight simulator will detect it. Now I'm gonna choose my current location. Yes. I'm gonna type in my hometown airport, Manila International Airport, RPLL. Gonna choose my I'm going to choose gate 8 for this when we start position. Then hit fly now. So let's wait until this loads. So I'm gonna post this video until this loads. Or is I'm in the finalizing of it, so I'm gonna post this video. Okay. Now, as you can see, this is the virtual cockpit of my B747. Here. This is the B747. Yes, sorry about any lags. Here. So I'm gonna hit views. If you don't show that, just hit Alt on your keyboard so the toolbar can show. Hit views, go to instrument panel, then as you can see, Flightdeck SFX panel. Just click on that. Then you're ready. Then you're gonna wait until it loads. Oh yeah. Okay, so very large. So you can resize this. Now I'm gonna resize my preferred view. Yeah, so okay, so it's working when you click it. Okay. Yeah, it's very large.
Kaya sana, huwag mong ipagtanggol yung ginawa mo dahil sa galit mo sa mag-ina, ma.
If you don't hear the music, just right click on this.
Hindi mo pwedeng mapalitan yung binigay mong statement sa mga investigador. Siguro nga mali yung ginawa ni Maria, pero hindi totoong pera yung motibo.
And turn volume to 100. Then select file. As you can see, you are now hearing. You don't hear the music because I'm running on a microphone, but you will going to show just go to my YouTube video what's this Flightdeck SFX file demonstration. That will show you the sound. Okay, so let's clap for it. Bye.